What's up guys, NQ here, and today I will show you how to add in items to your ESX shop, to your shops in your on your roleplay server. So let's start with you need to have a specific program. I use Handy SQL, link in the description for the program. But you need to go in your ESX shops. Let me just find it here. And you have your config file here. We have 24/7 and gas LTD, gasoline, and all that stuff. This is the labels for your shops. So if you go into the database and go into the shops here, you can see that we have the original. This is not original, but we have water and bread. This is the original items that will be included in the SQL file. So if you just take this and duplicate it, and we name this 8, and this one, you need to have an item. So if you go to items, take name instead of label, because name is what the item is called in the scripts, and the label is what it will say. So we copy this repair kits, and then we'll go back to shops, and we paste in shops here, the repair kits here, and we want to do this with all shops. So we put a 9 there, and we put a 10, and we take 24/7. And take this one, and you can set the price. So we say 250 of this. So it's done. You can restart the server and join the server, and you will find it in the shops. And I have a link in the description for a server host that I use personally, and I think it's great. It works perfectly fine. So you have a link in the description with 50% off, I think, so you can buy your own Fivem server. So yeah, that's all for me, and I see you next time.